great. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Look at me. How was it?
That was great. I went so fast that I underwater when I came.
Okay.
Let's do that again. California.
Is this Natalie?
Yeah, that's right. Natalie!
Hi, Nana. How's it going? Was it good?
Yeah.
Look at Nana. I'm taking
Oh,
you.
that was cool.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You want to go again?
Should I?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, cool.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I want to go again.
All right, good. I watched you. You look great coming down. You and Vince.
Where? You going again? Yeah, you going again.